Hi, today I'm going to teach you all about the most requested topic, okay? How to make Lazada product variations. Haha. So last time it's very hard to make product variations. Now it's super easy to make product variations. So come, let me show you how. But before I proceed, let me introduce myself, okay? So I am Kong, a Lazada certified trainer and e-commerce coach. And most important, I am a seller just like you. Okay, I started off with zero, with nothing. Okay, and I climbed myself up. Okay, to be a online entrepreneur and a very successful one. Okay, so I have trained a lot of my students. Okay, those that have started with nothing, starting from zero with zero knowledge, or those who have existing business. Okay, but they just wanted to grow bigger and bigger online. So I have helped all of my students to grow their sales in online. And if you want me to help you too, please click the link below and okay, you can reach out to me or you can take my training course. Okay, so now let's proceed to the video. Okay, so now, okay, let's go and add products, okay, under this Lazada Seller Center. So products, add products, okay. So then we'll come to this screen. First, we already copy our titles and description in the notes file, okay. Always prepare all your things in the notes file beforehand. So, and then you will find the category suggested and then you choose, okay. Then you try to upload. If possible, in Lazada, we will encourage you to have at least 3 pictures. So if possible, in Lazada, we will encourage you to have at least 3 pictures, okay? So let's say I want this one, I want this one, I want this one, okay? So 3 pictures, you can move the pictures around, okay, according to whatever you want, okay. You can put in a video from YouTube if you want, up to you. Okay, then the brand, you select the brand. Okay, and then you make sure you fill in the attributes, okay. If not, your content score will be very low. See, my attributes is not filled. So you just put lah, okay, whatever, okay, that is relevant to the your product, okay. So we'll come to this part, add variation. So maybe this is we have big or small size example. So we have 50 ml or 100 ml, okay. So this is the situation here, okay. Let's say we have two. You click to add the image of your 50 ml. Click to add, okay, the product of the 100 ml, okay. So you need if for example here you already have 3 pictures, so here you have 1 and 1, okay. So then after that, okay, you can put in your pricing, okay. Let's say this one is 29 and this one is 59 example, okay. Then you put in the quantity and the seller SKU is up to you. Okay, you can put in ABCD 1 2 3 4 or something like that, you know. ABCD is up to you, and this one default. If last time got GST, now don't have, in future got or not, we don't know, but it will set as default, and make sure this is toggle as available. Okay, then you can put in your description that you already prepared in your notes file. Okay, and then okay, you want to use lorikeet or rich text, up to you. And important, to get a perfect content score, you need to have at least 1 image. So go to your media center, select the image that you want, okay, here, and then there's your text. You can adjust the size of text if you want, okay. Just then, and then after that, this is the part. Okay, let's say both of them are different weight. What can you do? Okay, so before this, you cannot do anything. Okay, make sure all the variations are same weight. But recently, Lazada introduced this new thing called the delivery switch. Okay, where you can toggle on to enter different package dimension and weight. Okay, so example, this is the 50 ml, this is 100 ml. So it is but your box, okay, is different. Okay, let's say that 50 ml, that your box is this small and it's only 0. After wrapping and everything is 0.5. Okay, and let's say this the 100 ml the box is quite big. After wrapping is 0.8. So let's say that this one is the dimension of after wrapping your item, you need to key in is the dimension. Okay, let's say it's 15, 15, 13. Okay, and this one, okay, and you know the formula, okay, it is the height, length times width times height divided by 6,000. Okay, so we do, for example, okay, for example, okay, is you get this 0.8. Okay, so the weight here is not the weight of the product, but it's actually the size of the box times divided by 6,000. Okay, then everything is here. So you see here you have 100 content score, everything is filled up, and then you see that both your versions are inside there, and then you can press submit. Okay, and your listing has gone in, and let's check. Okay, so once you post submit, you go back to your this manage products and click on the items, and you already can see that your item is live, and there is the 50 and there's 100 ml variation. Okay, and see your things is live. Okay, so that is how you do a product listing with a product variation in your Lazada store. Easy, right? Yeah, so you can try it out. So if you have found this video helpful, please help me by liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel. A lot of my viewers are actually not subscribed, so make sure, okay, you are subscribed. So I remember, okay, if you need any e-commerce coaching or training, please don't hesitate to contact me by clicking the link below so that you can grow to be a successful entrepreneur just like me. So that's it for me now. Bye bye.